How to do it. Let me show you how to do it.
Hi guys, so this is my Tesla Model S, and one of the issues that I was having was I was driving on the highway. This car has full self-driving and everything was working fine, had no issues, but all of a sudden I started getting errors on the dashboard that my autopilot was disabled, and I'll tell you exactly the errors that I was getting. So this is one of the things that This is one of the things I got. It says lane departure avoidance feature unavailable, and also I got the autopilot active safety features unavailable, and it says camera alignment required, scheduled service, and over here it was saying features may be restored at the next drive. But you know, these two errors kind of came around the same time. As you can see, the timing 141, 143. So I got this one first, and then I end up getting this one. Now, as you can see, prior to that, I had that pop up. So initially when it happened, it was, I think, back here sometime. You see it multiple times because every time you use the car, you'll get this message. So this is one of the things that I was getting prior to that. Camera blocked or blinded. And I was kind of ignoring that part. But then I started getting, you know, all these errors. Didn't know what exactly was happening. I was kind of paranoid. You know, my full self-driving was disabled. I wasn't able to use it at all. And one thing I did was trying restarting the car, which basically you press and hold these two buttons without touching anything. You just hold on to those two, and that kind of restarts the car. Or also you can press the brake pedal and then hold these two together, and that would reboot the entire system. I tried that, but that did not work. So at this point I was like, okay, you know, I cannot fix it. Another thing you can try is go to safety and then click on power off, and it'll ask you to power off the entire car, and that's something you can do. That kind of shuts down this computer system, and then after 3-4 minutes, you know, you can press the brake pedal and the system will reboot back up. I also tried that. That did not work. I'll tell you exactly what worked. So I got myself this rag, you know, just a clean rag, and I'll tell you what to do with it. Now you have to find out all the cameras all around the car. That's one of the cameras. The pillar has one of the cameras. There's a camera on the back side, and then again the pillar camera right there, and then there are cameras right up front. Now on this, some of the new ones, they also have cameras on the front. You know, in mine I don't have that over there. I have the camera on the windshield. So with the rag I cleaned all the front cameras, you know, just like that, and just make sure there's nothing on there. You may want to clean it really good. And I cleaned up all the cameras, and as soon as I clean it, the error went away and I don't have any more errors. So that kind of gave me an indication that this was being caused because of the dirt or whatever was on the camera. I didn't have to do any kind of alignment. There are videos that tells you do the alignment and all that stuff, but trust me, you don't want to do that if your cameras are dirty, because if you do the alignment while the camera is dirty, it's going to get aligned at the wrong angle, or you know, it's going to take that into account. So you definitely don't want to do that. You want to make sure you clean up all the cameras, and you know, everything is nice and clean. And if it doesn't go away, only then do the alignment. So highly recommend that. Again, clean the cameras and then do the alignment if needed. But if after cleaning the cameras it goes away, guys, please don't do the alignment, because that's just gonna mess things up. So that's it. This kind of worked for me, and I'm super happy that everything is working fine. Now I can use the full self-driving and enjoy the ride. Guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like the video.